Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's N.P. Detailing again. Neil. Um, Last video was on a Isuzu D-Max, which I took you walk around the vehicle before I did the detailing on it. So 3 days later, here I am. Results have really come out well. The paintwork, as you saw in the last video, if you did see it, was an ivory white colour due to all the contamination and dirt, and it was a matte colour as well. There's no shine at all on the front end of the vehicle. Ex-construction workers vehicle, so you could tell it never been washed. Really rough paint. So I'll take you around the vehicle. It's all done now.